gonna reload some of these new settings with the new text options. And then once that is done, you can download that video.
So buckle your seatbelt, and I'm gonna be revealing how much money we have made at Think Media over the past 90 days and some of the insights we've learned from the different types of content that are paying the most.
Is this perfect? No, but I do know this is gonna get better and better over time. But one thing I love to do to actually make these way better and actually perform better is by putting them into an editor. I'll download them and then I'll chop it up and I'll take out any pauses, anytime there's an awkward silence. Right now the AI can't do that, and I'll just spend a few minutes chopping it up, exporting it, and now I have a way better video with captions that didn't take me long at all to edit. And here's what this video looks like with just a few edits.
Don't start for them, start for you. I think this is something that I struggle with on TikTok right now, actually, because it's a whole new platform, so I can relate in that sense.
I think this is a fire YouTube short that's gonna do really well. And if you wanna see more cool AI tools just like this, we actually have an AI for YouTube guide that you can check out at viralvideobundle.com. And this is gonna come with our YouTube niche finder, as well as our YouTube Shorts Masterclass. Now this bundle is on a huge sale right now, so make sure you check the links in the description and get it before it's gone.